People who've used a bar's a safe word to escape a bad date. What happened? It started off like any other awkward first date small talk, drinks, nothing too weird. But halfway through, he leaned in, smiled, and said, "If you ever ghost me, just remember, I'm really good at finding people." My stomach dropped. I laughed it off, excused myself, and went to the bar. Told the bartender I needed an angel shot with a twist. He didn't even blink, just gave me a quiet nod, and walked away. A minute later, security showed up and asked the guy to step outside. Turns out, he had a knife on him. I still don't know what would have happened if the staff hadn't stepped in, but they handled it like pros. I went home shaken, but safe.